Hi everybody, this is Handsthatcook and we're getting into summer, so I'm going to make some baked beans out of pork and beans. And this is 3 cans of pork and beans, and all I did was pour off the liquid that's on top. I poured it off. I'm going to add what I've got left of this thick and hearty burgers and chicken and steak sauce. I like to use Heinz 57, but I don't have any, so we're going to use what's left in this one. Preheat your oven to 375, 350, somewhere in there. And got another one of these. This gives it such a good flavor. There, I've used about a half of this one too. Or maybe, yeah, about a half. Then I'm going to add some ketchup. Probably, I don't know, about a half a cup. I'm going to leave this upside down and put some more in later. And I got some mustard. Probably about 1/4 of a cup of mustard. And I'm out of onions, y'all, so I'm using minced onion. I would rather use real, but since I don't have any, we use minced. I'm mixing it right in this pan. Get it mixed real good now. And give it a taste to make sure you've got the right amount of everything in here. Get another spoon. These pork and beans were in tomato sauce, so that is good, but I'm gonna add some dark brown sugar to it. I can sure taste that thick and zesty, thick and hearty stuff. It's so good. This is dark brown. I guess you can use light brown. I'm partial to dark brown sugar. I want to say that's about a half a cup. I'm going to mix it up and we'll see if this is enough. told you to preheat your oven to. I'm doing these at 375. Let's see. Now, to me, that's just right. Now, the only thing left is the bacon. And put some bacon on top of it. If you've got liquid smoke, you can add that. Now I'm going to throw this in the oven for anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. Let it get boiling and the bacon start to cook. And I'll bring you back. We're having smoked spare ribs out on the smoker, and Sam wanted some beans, so that's why I'm fixing them. We'll be back. We're back. Now, it took my beans about 45-50 minutes to get done, but you can see they're nice. This is Sam's plate. You want a piece of this bacon?
Yeah. That's what helps make the beans, that bacon.
Oh, yeah.
I do love this recipe of baked beans. This is from Linda's family.
Ooh.
The recipe.
No, it's not. It's just from me.
From you?
Mm-hmm. He's gonna have.
I did the ribs.
Sam did the ribs on the smoker. I did the beans in this cucumber tomato salad with a little bit of ranch dressing on it. And I'm gonna give him his.
Here, I already got it.
Well, they might want to see it.
They want to see what I'm going to eat. Well, I've already taken.
He's already been eating it, so. But there we go, y'all.
That's a fine barbecue meal right there.
All right, y'all. I'll put the recipe down below for the beans. And thank you all for coming in and spending part of your day with me. And when you barbecue, you got to try these beans. And the amount of brown sugar you put in there, taste it and make sure that it's enough for you all. You know, that's what you want. So until next time, you all take care and God bless every one of you.